Hello friends, welcome on this video. Today I will talk a little bit about upcoming tax changes to YouTube earnings. So this is very bad news for all of the people who are outside of United States. This is affect mostly all YouTubers from around the world. And this is bad news because the tax will be from 0 to 30%. Today I get this email from YouTube creators, and this email it's talking about tax changing. If your tax info isn't provided by May 31, 2021, Google may require you to deduct up to 24%. So if you do not apply for tax declaration on AdSense, so you will be charged to 25% of all clicks. This tax is only for visitors who comes from United States. Okay, if you not declare or if you do not apply your tax information and everything they require, they will punish us with 24% for all visitors, for all earnings in YouTube. So make sure you declare and you fill the form on AdSense before May 31, 2021. Okay, if you don't have to tax for every visitors you have. Okay, so for creators outside the US, we will soon be updating our terms and services. How will my earning be impacted? If you make money with YouTube Premium, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and also channel membership, all will be taxed. I mean, for the clicks who come from United States. Let's go. I will show you how much money you will lose on all of this situation. Okay, I will make my calculations here, but first of all I just wanted to inform you what this tax mean. Okay, let's go and see the channel. For the moment I'm here on my statistics. Okay, and if you see in Feb I have for 28 days I have clicks from United States, India, United Kingdom, Philippines, Canada, Malaysia, etc., Australia, Indonesia, Germany, and etc. You see, half of my viewers come from United States only, and half of them are coming for all countries together. Okay, so in my case I will declare and I fill my tax information because I don't want to lose a lot of money. 24% is too much for me. In fact, this tax from 0 to 30%, it depends whether your country has tax treaty relationship with United States. So I don't know if my country has treaty relationship with the United States, but you know, we will apply and I will show you how to apply and fill the form on AdSense. So don't leave this video. I will show you how to manage this tax info on AdSense. I'm here to help you guys today to finish this thing. We can finish it together, okay? And let's see, this is how it's bad news. You have to lose some money. I will calculate right now how much money you will lose. Okay, let's do a calculation. Let's say if you earn from if you earn $10,000 in month, okay, $10,000 in month, and if your tax is 30%, and if your country do not have any relationship with United States, I mean treaty tax or something like that, so you will be minus. Let's do this. Okay, and let's equal to 100%, and you will lose $3,000 on taxes. So from 10,000, I mean from 10,000 minus 3,000, you have to win 7,000. It's too much. Let's say if your country has a relationship with America and your tax, it will be 15% from $10,000. Let's say 50% tax. Sorry, you have $10,000 here and 15% you will lose 1,000. And so this is how it works. In this case, everybody will be taxed. I mean, if you have clicks from United States, but if you have most of your clicks are from Germany or from United Kingdom or from Canada or from Australia, don't worry, guys, it's not for you. But if you have most of the clicks from United States, like I have it here, as you see, okay, I will be punished, I'm punished on this case. Okay, guys, let's go to the point. Let's go to Google AdSense today. Here it is. Go to Google AdSense and I will show you every step and every detail you will do. Just go here on Google AdSense. Go here on the payments and you will see this you will see this message: action required. All YouTuber creators and partners submit your tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payment. Okay, manage tax. Click on this. To get payouts from Google, so make sure you provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. Add tax information. Click next on that. So choose you are individual. If you are individual, choose individual. Click next. Are you citizen or resident on the United States? If you click yes, if you are in the United States, no worries, no problem for you, no tax for you. But make sure you have to fill these fields. Because if you don't declare, if you don't tell Google you are an US citizen, you are an American, you also will be taxed. So don't leave it empty. Don't leave it empty. Careful. Okay, no. Click next. So here it is. WA tax form type. Non-US and US would be claim tax treaty benefits. Non-US, this form is most commonly used for non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. Yeah, okay. Start W8BN form. Hey guys, we are today it's not a good day with that news. We will lose a lot of money. So choose your country here on the list. For 18, it's your taxation number on your country. In some countries, this TIN number is just your ID personal number here in the end. Depends on the country. Okay. So I will fill this field with my information. You don't have to see this. It's personal. US foreign TIN. If you are in US, use this ITIN, okay, or CS or CCN, okay. If you are in the United States, it's optional. So in my case, I will click next. Click next. So here in tax treaty is easy now. It's easy for you guys, because if you don't know if your country has tax treaty with America, here is the list. Click yes first, okay, and choose your country. If your country is here on the list, voila, you pay lower taxes. Okay, guys. So make sure your country is listed here and choose your country. If your country is not in the list, you will pay 30% on taxes from all clicks from United States, man. And you have to pay anyhow, okay? Click next. We'll click next on this. And here is the form. And now you will click submit. You will click submit on this. Submit. Let's see what we have. Okay, I'm approved for this. So if you did any mistake or something like that, you will submit a new form. Get your right information, ask, and submit it here. I just submit, and here it is. Motion pictures, TV default rate is 30%, other copyright default 30%, service default 30%. So thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. If you have any other questions, just write me a message, write me a comment below, and let me know if you have any other difficulties. God bless you, and see you on the next video tutorial.